guys, and welcome to another video. This video is going to be me unboxing day 1 to 4 of this year's advent calendar, as you can see. So yeah, it comes in this beautiful box, and we take off this little sleeve like so, and then it opens up like this, and it's got a interpretation of their salon on the front. It is nice strong box, it is lovely. And then when we open it, this is what it looks like inside, and we have individual boxes of all the stuff. So as I said, this is going to be us unboxing 1 through to 4. So I am just going to put this off to the side, and yeah, we can get started having a look. So it is for £100 on their website, and the contents are meant to be valued at over £200. So I'm just getting swatch sticks out in case I need them. So days 1 to 4. But maybe I brought you up a bit too close. So we have day 1. It comes in this nice little pink box. It is very, very light for such a big box. So let's open it up. And we've got some pink fluff. And oh, that just looks like it. And it is a Glitterbel themed Christmas bauble. Nothing particular fancy about this. I suppose, you know, I could come up with a video where maybe I decorate this and make it look a bit more pretty. But yeah, so it's just a Christmas bauble. Now I will say, in calendars, like, I'm hoping in this advent calendar that it's not just filled with, like, I don't want to say cheap, but these are cheap to make. Like, you know, I can pick up ones like this without the G, a pack of 20 for like £2 in my local craft shop. So I'm hoping there's not going to be too many of these like cheap little fillers and then saying, oh, you know, you get this much stuff. So hopefully there's not going to be, you know, too much stuff like this, or, you know, although it is pretty. But I may make a video where I use some nail products and yeah, make it look a bit better. So on to day 2. It comes in this box. That's what it looks like. It is much, much heavier. Again, with the pink fluff. Oh, we have a HEMA-free tinsel no wipe top coat. So they do 2 different size bottles, what I call like their mini ones and then their full size ones. This is a full size one. So do they mean that there's bits of glitter in it, maybe? So yeah, there's, I don't know if you can see that, there's a little bit of glitter in there. So we will swatch that and we'll see what else we get first. So day 3, same little box, but the colours are reversed. Oh, can't see anything else in there. So day 3, we have a Glitterbels almond cuticle oil. Yep, it most definitely does smell of almonds. Very nice, in a cute little pink bottle. And then day 4. There's that pink fluff. Oh, gosh, lots of pink fluff. Just shove all that back in the box. And we have, now this is what I mean by their mini bottles. So full size mini. So this is a HEMA-free gel polish, and it looks like a sparkly pink. So we will swatch that one as well. So I will just swatch these and I will be back. So here are the swatches. This is what we got on day 2, which was the Tinsel No Wipe Top Coat. That ball out of the way so my camera can focus. And come on. Like it doesn't, like my camera doesn't know. See, like that blue, it doesn't seem to want to, like, I don't know, that blue is like reflection of bits of glitter in it, so you know, it's very, very subtle. I just dropped it round the wrong way. So yeah, it's just clear with a tiny bit of glitter in, so that is nice. And then the other gel polish we had was this one, and this is what it looks like. It is a nice pale pink glitter. Do like. Now that is just one coat. So just to recap what we got from day 1 to 4, we got the Glitterbels tree ornament. Then we got the Tinsel No Wipe Top. We got their cuticle oil. That wants to roll away. And we got a mini gel polish in this pretty pink colour. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you want to see what else I get in this advent calendar, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.